Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq, with daily insight on the Nasdaq 100 index, or the NDX, which is made up of 100 of the largest domestic and international non-financial innovative companies listed right here on the Nasdaq stock market. The NDX has been the barometer for U.S. large cap growth and also one of the best performing indexes over the last decade and a half, not to mention one of the most liquid index ecosystems in the world. Let's take a look at our first chart here with just under 2 hours to go until U.S. stocks close on this Tuesday, February 18th. The Nasdaq 100 was trading nearly flat at just 10 minutes to 2. We're down about 0.25% now. Now that's following an open that saw all of the major averages lower. Coronavirus outbreak headwinds were the big story this morning after Apple said it would miss quarterly sales forecasts due to impacts from the coronavirus, which weighed heavily on semiconductor stocks and others in the supply chain of the Apple iPhone, iPad, etc. This is just the latest company warning of the impact the virus has had on plant and operation closures, though the full economic impact is still unclear. In addition to watching developments on the economic and corporate impact of the coronavirus this week, we'll be watching PPI data and FOMC minutes that comes out tomorrow. CAGNY takes place February 17th through the 21st. That's a consumer analyst group of New York conference, and headlines out of that have the potential to impact related retail stocks. It's also a heavy week of consumer earnings. 5 Nasdaq 100 companies report, including Verisk, Analog Devices, Copart, NetEase, and Synopsys. From the Nasdaq market site in New York City, I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq.